Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by going into Audio Recorder app and selecting while using and allow in all pop-ups if you never used recorder before. Now, before starting your recording, hit this gear on the left and adjust all of those options however you wish to. Then go back and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you want to delete your recording right away, tap on this bin with an X on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, click on this square on the right. Now name your recording however you wish to and click on Save at the bottom right corner of New Name pop-up. To access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then, to play one of it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to tap on those three dots next to your recording. Hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!